Top of the morning, traders. It's good to be back. We're back in the main flow of the new week, new year, and we have the physical cliff, a solution to the physical cliff deal, which led to gaps up across the board, but we haven't seen much follow through, and most of the pairs are sitting at major resistance or support levels, except for the yen crosses, which continue to move higher. But let's take a look at what we have going heading into the new year and what we're going to be looking at least today, really quickly. The top of the range, the pair, you can see the euro is still sitting in the consolidation range that it's been in since about the midpoint of December. The top of the range is still at 133. The bottom is still created by the resistance at 131.50 and the 131.25. When we need a break of this range to really get things going, but you can see the pair did move all the way up to almost the top of it at 132.93 before buyers came in. It's easy to pay the bounces in this range. Right now, I'll be looking for right now, it's signaling for a move higher, but we'd have to break 133 for me to be interested in popping up into there. But when we watch this price action, I would be looking to a short where we can see another pushback towards the bottom of the range. That's what my thought is at the current moment. The Great Britain USD, you can see it popped up and it tested that very important level that we talked about at 163. If we look further back, 163 was the high going back to last year, and the cross couldn't find any momentum above this level, and right now it's sitting right there right now. If we see a hold again at this 163 level, we could easily see a cycle back towards 162 and 161. If we break, though, it will favor a move up towards the 164 level over the next day or so. We could watch for a fade of this move today. The Aussie is interesting because we all know this pair shot out finally out of this consolidation, the 50 pip range that it had been mingling in over the last couple days, and basically ever since Christmas, and the pair shot up, and where did it stop? Long behold, right at that ascending trend line. This is from the multi-year trend line that has contained price action heading back into last year. We're going to have to watch this. This is key, but we can see this level didn't really get respected last time it shot up into here, and I mean it did end up going back down, but it went almost 100 pips above it before finding a move down lower. So we're going to watch this level, and if we get a hold here, we could see I would look for a back hold below this 104.50 level before I really get interested for another push back down towards the 103.50 level in the short term. The New Zealand USD has popped higher, but it's still but it is testing the top of that range I was telling you about at between 83.50 and 81. This pair has been popping or bouncing around in those levels over the last few days. For the last 2 months. So we're going to see if we get another hold of this 83.50 level. We could see a push down initially towards resistance at the 82.20 level. The CAD, on the other hand, could not break above 99.50 and then shot down almost 100 pips. So it's this cliff deal. I would watch resistance here at 98.23, 98.20, and obviously supports up here at 99.50. We're going to watch the price action in this range. We could see a little bit bouncing. Yen continues to move higher with all the political wrangling there. Next level resistance is in the 88.40. This is a rather impressive move, and it's a rather rapid move. Until we get a pullback, I really wouldn't be interested in joining it, but a lot of people may have been saying the same exact thing. Anyways, resistance is 85.50 also, and most of the other yen cross is still pushing up. The AUDJPY managed to break above the significant level at 90. Is now at in the 91.32 levels. I'd be looking for resistance maybe up at 92 to 50, excuse me. The same thing for the Great Britain JPY. The pair has shot up. Next resistance isn't all the way up to 145. If things don't go up in a straight line, so we'll see. There will be a bit of a pullback in these pairs sooner or later. The EURJPY has been a little bit more contained, but it is above 114, and we have resistance here at 117.70. And New Zealand, as all of the others, has managed to break above the 50 fib that I talked about at 70.64. And 76, and now is all the way up to 72.80 level with the gaps higher. The next level of resistance could be the 0.618 fib at 79.64. You can't trace these trades at these points, so we need to wait for a pullback in the short term. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Let's make some pips.